Merry Christmas!
Got a bit of a quick job on. Nick over at Genome Designs has called us up and asked us if we can PPF a roof on his Porsche. This is the Porsche in question. We wrapped it previously in a printed design on a matte finish. The roof is gloss, so we're going to be putting some gloss PPF on it today. The PPF is Flexi Shield that we're using. Great product. We're going to get that cut up now and get the roof cleaned up and ready to go. Let's do it. Right, so I'm just about to load cutter up, get software set up. It is Sabre that we use. It's part of the Flexi Shield's cutting program software. To be fair, I've not had an issue with it not finding a pattern for any cars that we've been PPFing. It tends to be really good for patterns and they are very accurate as well. I've not had one that don't fit or anything along them lines. Get that loaded in. So I've already got it loaded in, front car, model at car. It is the sunroof version, so we'll be doing the sunroof, getting that all cut in place. If it's easy to pull you over here to have a nosy. Quite hard to see through the camera, but there's the pattern, and it's as easy as pulling pattern up, selecting your at car, pulling pattern up, and hitting go. So we'll just do a little depth test, make sure cutter's cutting at right depth. I mean, don't want to be cutting through. We'll give a little test at 175. See how that picks off. Absolutely beautiful. So set that to there, shimmy her forward a little bit. Good to go. And it's literally as easy as select, cut, cut, and away she goes. Easy as that, it's cut. So we'll get it off cutter, get it weeded out, and get it on. Send her forward a tip. I think one of the nicest things about this PPF, no cap to deal with. I mean, it's not a big thing, but it is. It's a pain in the arse with a cap, but this stuff's that good at self-healing. They don't send it with a cap where a lot of other products tend to do, and it's just a pain in the arse. It causes tunnelling and everything. I mean, obviously it still tunnels, but not as quick as other stuff would. We'll throw her on the table and get her weeded out. And she's done. Easy as that. And I'm not getting caught on everything. Right, so that's it weeded out, ready to go. We'll go downstairs, get it stuck on wall, get roof cleaned up, and get it PPF'd. So I've got roof clay barred off now. I'm just going to make some slip solution up for PPF. I am using deionized water, gets rid of all minerals and everything out of it. And 8 foam solution. I tend to do like, well, obviously I've nearly 2 litres in here. It does say 50 millilitres of solution per litre, but I think it can be a bit much sometimes, so I'm just going to go about 45 millilitres to the nearly 2 litres of deionized water. Bob that in, and that's it. Easy as that. Stick it in there. We'll give it a quick shake and a pump, and we're ready to go. Instant tack. So I've just stretched it out a little bit, just so it covers both ends nicely, but it does make it want to pull up. So idea is we'll just get the edges tacked and bring her back down, like so. And once we've got them edges in place, go to town on her. It's literally as easy as that. High gloss finish, no scratching, no messing about. Ultimate protection, really. One piece, done. Yeah, tackle big bear. Where's everybody when you need them? Arms just aren't long enough. I think we'll just treat it same again, get an edge tacked in and work them over. Get over here. One edge. Two. Another bit down. And there we go, that's it, PPF'd roof. This bit won't be staying on. Obviously there's text underneath. PPF don't like sticking over the top of it. It does leave a edge all the way around, but that bit will be coming off. But it looks nice and glossy, protected. Doing job for what it is going to need. As I was saying, this is a car that we wrapped previously before we started doing YouTube, but well, it's back here. Let's do a little sexy montage thing.